Ladies and gentlemen, I've had an idea. Now, this is going to be a short episode because it's just an idea I have. Now, this is a soda can. It doesn't really matter that it's Sprite. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Sprite. I kind of wish I was. I'm going to take a sip of this. This is a future psychotic project. I'm not going to say that I'm very close to finishing the toothpick airplane, but I know that I have to plan for my next psychotic project. And the project I have is, I'm still kind of working out the details, so bear with me, is a soda can model battleship. Basically, I'm just going to be drinking a lot of soda from now until when I start the project, and I'm going to be saving the cans, and then I'm going to make a battleship. Now this one, it'll be easier than the toothpick airplane because the strips are going to be bigger than, the toothpicks. So I'm probably going to make a bigger model than the toothpick airplane. The idea for the model I'm going to make is a battleship, and it will be an Iowa-class battleship. I was thinking about either doing a frigate, corvette, or a warship, and I decided to a warship, and then an Iowa-class warship. And so, I'm really excited about this project. Alright, so I know that this episode wasn't very long, but it's just because I wanted to introduce this idea I have. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment what you think about this project. And I will see you guys later.